Welcome to all on Sethi Learn. In today's sessions, I will discuss the multiple choice question types on vectors and three-dimensional geometry applicable for main applicable CBSE board, state boards. Right? Let's start the question. If this vector and this vector is equal to null vector, we have to find the value of P and Q. This is the cross product. We know the cross product is equal to IJK 26 27 IPQ equal to null matrix, right? In that case, simplifying it, I 6Q minus 27P minus J 2Q, this is 1, 2Q minus 27 plus K. This comes out to be 2P minus 6. 2P minus 6 equal to 0. Null vector, right? On simplification, as you have to find the right, independently P is here, independently Q is there. So comparing 2Q minus 27 equal to 0, Q equal to 27 by 2. 2P minus 6 equal to 0, P equal to 3. 1 is this answer, 1 is this answer. 3 and 27 by 2 and 3. These are the, we have to find the value P and Q. C is the correct option. C is correct option. Right? Next question. Find the magnitude projection of this on this is, we know, scalar projection of A on B. Dot product of two vectors, divided by magnitude of on vector. In this case, magnitude of this is vector A, say, on is this. So magnitude B will be equal to under root 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 3. A dot B will be equal to A1, A2. 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. This comes out to 2 plus 2 plus 2. This comes out to be 6. Therefore, scalar projection, or you can say magnitude of projection. Both are same thing. Magnitude of projection will be equal to A dot B upon magnitude of B. On simplification, 6 by 3. 2 is the answer. 2 is D option is correct. D option is correct. Next question. Vector of magnitude 5 units in the direction of this is, we have to find the answer. We know any vector equal to magnitude of that vector into unit vector in that direction. We have to find the vector. We have to find vector A. So magnitude vector A into unit vector in that direction. So this is vector R. R divided by magnitude of R. That is the answer. Let's simplify. 5, this comes out to minus 2i. Answer question is 2i plus 3j minus 6j. 2i plus 3j minus 6k divided by magnitude 4 plus 9 plus 36. This comes to 49. 49 means 7. 5 by 7. 5 by 7. 2i plus 3j minus 6k. That is the answer. Let's check the answer. Answer is 5 by 2i plus 3j. 2i plus 3j. 2i minus 3j. Minus 2i minus 3j. In this case, we can put the answer 5 by 7. We can take minus 7 and corresponding become unit vector magnitude of that vector into the vector divided by its magnitude. So this will come out to 2i plus 3j. This can be plus minus both. Plus minus both means you can change the sign. Change the sign. Change the sign. My answer will be C. Change the sign. Answer will be C. Right? Either this is the answer possible or negative sign like minus plus 5 by 7. Right? This is correct. No other option is given to this case. Next. Next question. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points 1, 2, minus 3 and B to A. B to A. We know direction cosines are ABC upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. Right? A square plus B square plus C square. Then, what is ABC? Are direction ratios. So A will be equal to B to A. B to A. So x2 minus x1, B y2 minus y1, C z2 minus z1. C z2 minus z1, B to A. B is point A. This is x1, y1, z1. This will be x2, y2, z2. This will come out to be x2 minus z1. 1 minus plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 and minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. This comes out to 2 minus 2 minus 3, 5. Again, देखें. Find the direction of the vector joining this B to A. B is, this is point x2, y2, z2. This is x1, y1, z1. x2 minus x1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1. This comes out to minus 4. And direction cosines के लिए put the values of A, B, C and this will be the final answer. Right? Simple calculation is planning now. Next question. Find the vector equation of the line which passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and is parallel to the line. 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the line. In that case, make the comparison of the line x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, z minus z1 upon C. In this case, both are not matching. To match it, x minus 1 upon minus 2, y minus 1 upon minus 3 equal to z minus 3 upon 4. So direction ratios of line minus 2, minus 3, 4. Right? Now, we have to find the equation line. This line is passing through the point 1, 2, 3. and parallel to the given line L1. Direction ratios are -2, -3, 4. So this is parallel to this. For two lines to be parallel, L is parallel to L1. Therefore, direction ratios will be same. The direction ratio will be same. Means passing point is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the passing point. Plus lambda. Lambda is -2, -3, 4. So this comes out to be B is the correct answer. -2, -3, 4. B is the correct option. Right? Because the answer is R equal to R1 plus lambda B. That is passing point x1I plus y1j plus z1k plus lambda AI plus bj plus ck. Just simplify it and put the answer. This is the concept applicable. Right? All the questions are very, very important for the CBSE board and state board. Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Learn, and like this video, please subscribe and share the channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing. Be careful, concept killing videos on. Thank you. धन्यवाद बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद